Welcome to my math class. I am Mohammad Ali, online maths teacher. Today we will discuss about box and whisker plot. Okay. Box and whisker plots. This topic is included in mathematics book. So at first we try to understand some definition. The range is a simple way to measure the spread or dispersion of set of data, but one extreme value, very high or very low, can have a big effect on the range. So the range is the highest value and the lowest value, subtraction. A better measure of spread is the interquartile range. So better measure of spread is the interquartile range. The value at the 25th percentile, that means 1/4 of the way through the data, is called the lower quartile. That means n by 4 of the total data is lower quartile. You can say this is 1/4 of the total data is lower quartile, or 25 percentile is the lower quartile. And the second one, the value at the 75th percentile, 3/4 of the way through the data, is called the upper quartile. We will indicate this is as a Q3. Lower quartile we will indicate as a Q1. Upper quartile we will indicate as a Q3. The median is the value at the 50th percentile. So interquartile range is the upper quartile minus lower quartile. The bigger the value of the interquartile range, the bigger the spread of the data. Okay. So now we try to solve this maths. Find the quartiles and interquartile range for these numbers. At first, we have to remember, we have to rearrange all this data in ascending order. So here it is given 8, 9, 5 up to 14. So we rearrange from small to big. So how many data here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So n is here 12. We learned that 25th percentile, 25th percentile or 1/4 of the total data is lower quartile. So we try to find out the lower quartile in another way. So if you think for lower quartile, n plus 1 divided by 4. So what happened? 12 plus 1 divided by 4. What is that? This is here total data is 12. So 13 divided by 4. So it will be 3.25. So 3.25 position is the lower quartile. So how will get 3.25 position? We will take the average of third term and fourth term. So lower quartile will be 5 plus 6 divided by 2. So it will be 5.5. So lower quartile will be 5.5. Remember, 25th percentile is lower quartile, 75th percentile is upper quartile, and 50th percentile is median. But this is the one method. How can you find out the lower quartile? We take n plus 1 divided by 4. N is 12 here. 12 plus 1 divided by 4 is 3.25. But 3.25, we have to take third term and fourth term average. Then we'll get the lower quartile. So 5.5 is the lower quartile. Now for upper quartile, we will write 3 by 4. Instead of n, we will write here n plus 1. So it will be 3 by 4 and 13. So we'll get 3 multiplied 13 divided by 4. We'll get 9.75 position. This is the position. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 position and 10 position. Upper quartile will be 9 position. If it is 9.75, it will be 9 position and 10 position average. 9 plus 11 divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2. So 10 will be our upper quartile is 10. And if we want to find out median, median we indicate as a Q2. Remember, lower quartile we indicate as a Q1, upper quartile we indicate as a Q3, and median we indicate as a Q2. So it is same, n plus 1 divided by 2. So 13 divided by 2, it will be 6.5 position. So 6.5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 position and 7 position average. So 8 plus 8 divided by 2. So median will be 8. So you see median is 8. So we get upper quartile, we get lower quartile, we also get the median. So interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile. Upper quartile is 10 and lower quartile is 5. So their subtractions 4.5 is interquartile range. Now, if we want to represent this a box and whisker plot or box plot, so it will shows the spread of that data. Now see, so in box plot, this part will indicate the lower quartile. This part is indicated as the upper quartile. The middle one indicate the median, and this value indicate among all this data, the highest value indicate here, and this value indicate the lowest value. Okay, this is the box plot or whisker box plot. So like this maths illustrate the following set of test scores using a box and whisker plot. So we will arrange all this data. Here data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So n is 11. According to our procedure, Q1 equals to 11 n plus 1 divided by 4. So it will be 11 plus 1 divided by 4. That means the third position is lower quartile. So 1, 2, 3. Third position is 9. So our lower quartile will be 9. And Q3 is 3 n plus 1 divided by 4. So it will be 3 by 4 multiply 12. It will be 9. 3 4s are 9, 12. So 3 3s are 9 position will be our upper quartile. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 position is 20. So our upper quartile is 20. See, our upper quartile is 20. And for median Q2, we'll write n plus 1 divided by 2. N is here 11 plus 1 divided by 2. It will be 6 position value will be median. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our 6 position value is 17. So median is 17. Now, if we want to represent this information in a box and whisker plot, we will write in the number line, we have to write all these numbers here. So now 9 is the lower quartile, 20 is the upper quartile here, median is 17, it's indicates. So we make this box. This is our box. And this number indicate here, what is the largest value we have? 22. What is the smallest value we have? This is 5. So in this way, we can represent all this information in the box of whisker plot. So I think everybody understand this maths. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.